want to create a quick chart pattern video breaking down the main chart patterns, which ones I feel are the most important, and how I look at the charts and my entries and things like that using chart patterns. So here, the first one is ascending triangle. You see the price has created a triangle level. The price was bouncing in here, and like I said, it formed a triangle, and then the price broke up. It was ascending. Descending triangle is the same thing, just the price was descending, it bounced in here and got rejected down. Head and shoulder is basically these. They call it head and shoulder because the middle peak is the head, and these on the left and right are the shoulders. On all of these, keep in mind, they're not always going to be perfect like this. Some might have a lower left shoulder and a higher right shoulder, or vice versa. The main thing to remember is that the head is always taller than both shoulders. And then the price got rejected down. Didn't have enough strength or volume to continue up higher. Inverted head and shoulders, basically just an upside down head and shoulder. The price didn't have enough volume or strength, and it got rejected. The volume was strong enough to continue it up. Double top, you basically created a support and resistance level. Price came up to the resistance, got rejected, came back down to the support to gain some strength, tried again, got rejected, and this time got rejected to the previous level. Bearish symmetric triangle. It's basically forming a triangle, the price, and then it breaks out through the top. Bullish symmetric triangle, and shoots up. Falling wedge. The price is creating a wedge in here. Draw the line, and it breaks out up. Pennant chart, same thing, forming a triangle, a wedge, breaks up. Rounding bottom, the price is rejected off this level, and then kind of steps in the way that it forms a bowl, and then breaks out. Triple bottom is you've created support and resistance level, and the price has tried to break that resistance 3 times and then got rejected and sent up. Flag, price is creating it's supposed to be like a flag waving in the air, and then the price breaks up. Cup and handle, kind of like the rounded bottom, then it has a little more consolidation before it breaks up. So those are the main ones that people use. Me, in my eyes, you don't have to remember all of these. If you look at it, a lot of these pretty much are the same thing. It's really only 3 main ones that you really need to know, and that's just look for wedges and triangles forming on your charts. Once you see those, that's what, because most of these is just a triangle. It's creating a wedge, which is squeezing the price to the pressure builds and decides if it's going to shoot up or shoot down. So all these are wedges, triangle wedges. That's all these are. Then the other ones you have to pay attention to is the double tops, triple tops, double bottoms, triple bottoms. It's like this one was down here, this is triple bottom, and triple tops if it was reversed. So really, all you're doing with these is creating support and resistance line, and watching how many times the price is rejected off of which level, and then when it breaks that level, determining okay, that gives it a higher probability of going in that direction. Head and shoulders, again, is just, you can see it, but all it is a double top. They tried 1, 2, and the third time it broke out. even if you're looking at rounded bottoms and cupping handles. All they really are is double tops. And the third time it was able to break. As long as you create the right support and resistance levels on your chart, then you can be like, okay, if I had one here, the price projected off of that level and kept going up, and then it broke whatever trend line you have drawn, and you can be like, okay, it's giving me a higher probability that this is going to continue up. Even if you would have waited until it broke this resistance level, that still would have gave you a higher confirmation. You wouldn't have had to worry about a cup and handle and all that. You're just looking at the wedge, double top, double bottom, using support and resistance. So not even 3, 2. That to me, that's third could be head and shoulder pattern, but like I said, even that could be just double top, double bottom, triple bottom, whatever. So that's, in my eyes, how I look at the charts and how I use them on my trading.